Welcome to HRM 360 Clinical Data Applications and Data Security. And first of all, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Ching-Song and I'm a full-time professor at BMCC CUNY. And my educational background is computer science. However, my research interest and focus is actually in health informatics and also data engineering, machine learning, part of the artificial intelligence, and steganography, which is like image processing, how to embed an image within an image, and also geographical information science. And have been doing research in health information science, health information application for years. And I want to explain how this course, which is Clinical Data Applications and Data Security, fits into the curriculum of our HRM. And as you know, data application and clinical data and the data security is belongs to the following knowledge domain of HRM, which is information technology and systems. And by taking this course, also prepare you for the HRM 360, which is the introduction to database design. And the importance of or reason for this course is as you know that data security is very important in information technology, and you can see a lot of problem of data security in office or personal use, and your data may be compromised or your password is not working, and this is very important in information technology in general, and also in the healthcare information management in particular, because HIPAA, which protect our health information, is all because of the security aspect. And in your personal security and to the computer security, internet security, to our health information security is the way I prepare the course, starting from personal security, then to computer security, internet security, your work environment security, up to our health information security. And also, we also discuss about what is the data, what is the information. I believe you learned from your previous classes, and then we discuss also include our discussion includes database, data systems. Then we try to use a language which is called structure query language. This is abbreviation. It's called SQL, and how we use SQL to retrieve the information from the database. Therefore, therefore, this course also prepare you for another class which is called database design. At the end of the semester, we also talk about clinical data application. We choose one of the applications, which is called clinical trial. Now, clinical trial is one of the phase to validate a medicine, and it has to pass the clinical trial, a couple of phases, and then all these phases involve clinical data. So clinical trial is one of the applications of clinical data. So you know the application. So that is the importance or reasons for taking this class. And for those who are taking HIM 360, this course also give you the foundation about what is the data, what is the database, and what is the database system. And then we also mention about, we also discuss and introduce the relational database to you. And so you will learn also the data definition and data manipulation using SQL, which I just mentioned before, which is structured query language. And and also we mentioned a little bit about the database concept, which is relational relationship on data. And And then we won't mention about what is data normalization. That is way too much. That belongs to HM 361. And talk about what is included in our weekly work. We have readings, and we have lecture notes or slides, but some doesn't have it, some only readings. And we have review questions to understand how much you learn, and to assess learning of this week or weekly material. And sometimes we have hands-on assignments. That's from week number 1 to week number 5. We have hands-on assignment to practice uh, our reading material, and not only we read but also we practice put into the real world. And sometimes we have writing assignments. That's the purpose of writing assignments. I will have the purpose read description on our Blackboard website. And that writing assignment, in addition to really search and research the topics online, or you have searched your answers from the reading material, but sometimes it's a way to practice the writing skill. And I also prepare optional quizzes. Some you don't have, but some you have. If you have writing assignment, then probably we don't have the quizzes. We don't have quiz. And then the questions and discussion. I really encourage you to use a discussion forum so that we can exchange the idea between you and me, and between you and your peers, your students. And then the hands-on project, that's for week number 1 to week number 5. And this semester, all the hands-on projects, you are able to implement either in Windows environment, which is Windows 7 or 8, or you can use Mac operating system. And for those that doesn't apply to both systems, I already removed. So, but any questions, please let me know. See whether you are able to implement in the Mac environment. And the software tool. So now, when we talk about the database, basic understanding and basic concept of database, I'm going to use open source database, which is popular on Windows and also on Mac machine, which is MySQL. And we try to learn how to install MySQL. And also we were going to try some of the simple query after we create some simple tables, simple database, and we want to try some of the statements. And we will see how you can retrieve information from your database, from the database that you created. And I will create a step-by-step process to install and create database, and also the statement, and some of the assignments that you are going to create a simple statement, SQL statement, to retrieve the data that I have prepared for you, that what kind of data we are looking for, so that you can prepare a simple SQL statement. Alright, I wish every one of you have a successful semester for the HM 360, and looking forward to meeting you soon. Thank you.